None of us succeed alone. None of us succeed alone. The most extraordinary accomplishments in life come from connection, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of empowering those around us. When we share what we know, our experiences, our insights, our strategies, we create a ripple effect. By igniting a spark in just one person, we light up their sphere of influence, inspiring others in ways we never even see. That's the power of unity. One spark turns into a fire that spreads. Let's commit to pushing each other to be our very best. Let's challenge one another, motivate one another, and celebrate every step forward together. Because when we lift someone else, we rise with them. The best version of you isn't just about your success, it's about how many others you bring along the journey. So go out there today and be the spark. Share your knowledge, lift someone higher, empower those around you. Together we are unstoppable, and together we can create a wave of transformation that touches lives far beyond our own.